83.
83.
83.
Prošlost 3.
Past tense 3.
Past tense 3.
Telefonirati.
To make a call.
To make a call.
Telefonirao, telefonirala sam.
I made a call.
I made a call.
Cijelo sam vrijeme telefonirao, telefonirala.
I was talking on the phone all the time.
I was talking on the phone all the time.
Pitati.
To ask.
To ask.
Pitao, pitala sam.
I asked.
I asked.
Uvijek sam pitao, pitala.
I always asked.
I always asked.
Ispričati.
To narrate.
To narrate.
Ispričao, ispričala sam.
I narrated.
I narrated.
Ispričao, ispričala sam cijelu priču.
I narrated the whole story.
I narrated the whole story.
Učiti.
To study.
To study.
Učio, učila sam.
I studied.
I studied.
Učio, učila sam cijelu večer.
I studied the whole evening.
I studied the whole evening.
Raditi.
To work.
To work.
Radio, radila sam.
I worked.
I worked.
Radio, radila sam cijeli dan.
I worked all day long.
I worked all day long.
Jesti.
To eat.
To eat.
Jeo, jela sam.
I ate.
I ate.
Pojeo, pojela sam cijelo jelo.
I ate all the food.
I ate all the food.